Hi, this is Jessie with the Jessie Banwait team, and welcome to my newest listing here at 21230 Paisley Boulevard West in the heart of Cooksville. This Vandyk built a luxurious, spacious, executive townhome sits in the center of this quiet, child-friendly private complex. Top 5 reasons why you should buy this beautiful home. Number 1, it's walking distance to Flordale Public School and Mary Fick's Catholic School, close to middle schools and high schools. Number 2, surrounded by parks and walking trails, Lummis Park, Iroquois Park, Huron Park, and Huron Park Recreation Center. Number 3, this home is centrally located, walking distance to Trillium Hospital, minutes from Square One and Port Credit Village, supermarkets, banks, and groceries. Number 4, close to all major highways, QW 403, easy access to downtown, Port Credit GO Station, and Hillcrest GO Station. Turnkey home with 3+1 bedrooms, 3.5 washrooms, 9-foot ceilings on the main, oak stairs, hardwood throughout, updated kitchen. This home has it all. Number 5, this home is turnkey and move-in ready and comes complete with a possible in-law suite. My name is Jessie with the Jessie Banwait team. For more information, please do give me a call.